That, my friends, is the Mendenhall Glacier. So we're going to head up there, see if we can get in the sunshine. It's impressive. There we are, a better view of it here. And there's some impressive falls over there, Nugget Falls. So we're going to head around there. And it's receded a huge amount over the last few years. So we're on a trail heading to the Mendenhall Glacier and the Nugget Falls. And apparently bears share this trail. Although it might be a bit early in the year, so I'm going to keep the camera on just in case. Don't want to hear any rustling in the woods. It's people, not bears. There's some small waterfalls here. It's not the Nugget Falls. It's a fake one. So it was quite funny. A man came past us saying, "The sound you can hear, that's not it. That's the fake one. Keep going." So we're carrying on to find some bigger falls. Well, folks, I'm at a beach area, Mendenhall Bay, and I found a glacier. Do you want to see one? I'll show you a berg first. Here's a little berg. There you go, that is ice. That is an actual berg. Do you want to see a bigger one? There you go, right in the middle of the picture. An iceberg. Just sitting there. Don't know how long it's been sitting there, for ages. Anyway, that's a mini one. If I turn to the right, this is Mendenhall Glacier. Now, I didn't expect that. It's steep. I mean, that's about not 1 in 1, 1 in 2. But this thing has been receding for years. You could probably take a helicopter flight to get to it. Well, that is a glacier. Right, going to wander around some more. And this impressive waterfall is Nugget Falls. So I'm going to turn the microphone round so you can hear it. And I'm going to go and get a bit closer as well. You can hear it. I'm looking at it. This is the Nugget Falls. So I'll just get to a good spot. It's pretty impressive. Helen and Carl, you would love this. Ice floes floating around, and then right in front of me, the waterfall. So let's show you where I am. got me some waterfalls. Wicked. So there you go, that's Nugget Falls. The glacier is feeding into the same lake. This is obviously coming down from the mountains. They thought I was going to be able to get on the glacier, but say it's receded too much. So this is probably the most impressive bit of this little area. Some proper falls. There is a visitor centre here, which I haven't gone in. I mean, there aren't many people here. I mean, I counted eight of us by that falls. A few helicopters going in, but there's very low clouds, so I don't know how much of a view they would have had. Anyway, the visitor centre is just to my right, and I'm just waiting for the bus. This is about 5 miles outside of the town, Juneau. So just waiting for that, and then see what happens later. And the sun's coming out.
August 10th, 1996. We will be passing through an Alaska temperate rainforest, which averages 90 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow per year. Some of the trees you may notice are the western hemlock, the Sitka spruce, and red alder. The Sitka spruce gets its name from a Tlingit island called Shattuck. It has since been changed to Baranof Island. It has small, sharp pines, but it is the largest spruce in the world. So fittingly, it's the state tree of Alaska. The western hemlock are similar looking trees with the droopy tops. The Tlingit people found this wood handy for making utensils and combs. The red alder are the green leafy trees you see. Its uses include smoking salmon. After the summer harvest, much of the food was preserved and stored. As you venture down to the Sky Bridge, we have Gold Belt Tram Gifts. This is truly one of Juneau's finest gift shops. It features a gallery of genuine artifacts, so go on in and admire the quality work, or at times visit with a local carver who does much of his work right there in the gallery. And while at Gold Belt Tram Gifts, you can pick up your souvenirs or a variety of other Juneau mementos.
Now we're up in the mountains. Well, that's the ship. At the top of this hill, sun's coming out. Let's just have a look at the other side of the bay. Still got plenty of snow up here, but the nature centre's shut. And you can't really go anywhere. But it's good views now the sun's out. Plenty of dead man's beard in the trees and plenty of snow around. Let's see for that eagle. Here we go. I've lost it on the screen, can't see it, but there's an eagle just up there. Eagle flying by. Ship moving off. Thankfully it's not my ship.
After trading much of their rusty for whole group, they returned his empty-handed, but were promptly sent back to try again. In 1880, 3 pound years, Juneau and Harris, presents of gold in silver bowls based in Gold Creek, after which Juneau was founded in the same year. After the discovery of gold in the area of Harris and Juneau, 1,000 pounds of gold or baptism for their investor, George Thomas. The Juneau gold rush of 1880 resulted in some of the largest gold mines in the world, including the treasure mines of Douglas Island. Mayflower Island, across from the Douglas Indian village, was a traditional subsistence site, which yielded a once healthy prairie run and spawn of tribal inhabitants. Tribal members spent winters at the Douglas Indian village, while others built their homes. Tribal members also spent summers at numerous fishing camps on the Cotton River. The settlement founded by Juneau and Harris was originally called Harrisburg.
So last thing we're going to do today is just walk up the street of Juneau. Wow, that ain't no horse. Wherever you go, there's always a boy racer. So we're just walking past the Red Dog Saloon, and the lady told us that Wyatt Wyatt Earp passed by, and he was in such a hurry to get out of town he left his gun. I'm sure it's in there somewhere. There we go, just a bit more of the town of Juneau, the capital of Alaska. So that boy race has come back again. Alaskan Hotel Bar. Straight out of the early 1900s. There you go, Mount Juneau trading post. You can just imagine that with your hossies outside, bar inside. Thought I just saw John Wayne come out of there. Well, that was Juneau. Do you know what? It was fantastic. Pretty knackered. After doing things all day. So, coming back to the ship now. And sailing this evening onto the next port. So, I think I've taken quite a lot of videos, so I don't know whether this will be the second part or the first part. So anyway, hopefully it will all come together. So I hope everybody's enjoying it, and I will catch you on the next one.